Tax bills can be a pain at the best of times, but getting one you weren't expecting, now that's a real kick in the teeth. If you're not on top of your finances, a large and unexpected tax bill can become a scary reality. Tax is complex. It often changes. Sometimes you do something that you think will benefit you in the long run, but actually it's a deterrent to you at the end of the year. For example, you may decide to take a dividend without recording it properly, or you may be putting through business expenses that are actually personal. Unless you know how much tax is due soon after, or even before the end of the year, there's a good chance you won't have saved enough for when the tax bill is due. For us at Telfords, we start with the end in mind. From day one, we want to understand your targets. Why did you set your business up? What are your plans for the next 1, 3, or 5 years? How much income do you need from your business each year? And is your focus on business growth, financial security, retirement plans, or maybe even a business sale? We'll get an understanding of how well you know your business numbers, how much attention you give to taxes. We want to know how well you understand what is or isn't tax deductible. We'll then hold a tax planning session where we will identify ways that you can take advantage of tax allowances and incentives to pay yourself in a more tax efficient way. As part of a tax planning session before the end of the financial year, we will calculate what the full year business performance will look like, estimate what your level of income will be, work out what the tax bills for the business will be, and based on these tax bills, plan how to make sure there is sufficient cash to pay them when they're due. What's different about us is that we don't just do this at the end of the financial year. We're constantly in communication with you to make sure you don't lose track of your finances and aren't hit with any unexpected tax bills. With the right planning, tax can be predictable, manageable, and maybe even an opportunity to keep more of what you earn. And if you choose Telfords, we'll be there with you every step of the way.